I have some of the most beautiful, coolest, chicest pieces to share with you on Amazon. I dug through the archives of Amazon. These are things that you're typically not going to see, so let's dive right in. And of course, I had to save the best for last. It's so good. Everything's linked down below. I'll also pin it in that comment section. If you're brand new here, I have 4 kids ages 5 through 12, and I'm a full-time working mama. I'm 5'7", and I purchased all of these pieces in a size small. This lace 2-piece set, I don't know where I'm going with her, but I'm going to plan something because she is absolutely stunning. It zips here in the back, which is really nice. I love all the details. The quality on this is impeccable, and the price point, considering everything that comes with this gorgeous skirt, nice stretchy waistband. I also love the length on this. Something about white feels very crisp and clean and just beautiful and stunning. You could really dress this up. Maybe you're going on a fun, airy, easy breezy date night or a brunch. I love this. These next 2 pieces did not come together, but they pair together so nicely. Very fresh. I don't know, I cannot get enough when it comes to just white and creams, just beautiful and bright. In fact, I was staying at the Ritz-Carlton a couple of years ago with my daughter, and every morning the hostess at the breakfast buffet would pair something similar to this, and then one day she wore darker colors like blacks and browns, and I just thought that looked beautiful, but there was something about that white and brown creamy that just, so good. Let's talk about this tank top, this cream and brown tank top. I love that this is long enough so you can tuck it into whatever you're wearing. You put your arms up, it's not going to fall out. This would be great for the office, but great for everyday things that you have going on. The straps are a little bit thicker here so you can wear your most comfortable bra. This is going to pair nicely with so many different things, especially as we transition into the Yes, it's coming, fall. Don't get me wrong, I absolutely love fall, but I'm here in Minnesota and we get just a tiny glimpse of summer. I mean, 2 months really where you get to wear those hot weather things. These white pants, they fit so nicely. They feel so good on the body. I am obsessed with these. Something about them screams, I'm more expensive than I actually cost. These pants right here transition beautifully into fall. You can pair it with your mochas and your darker colors and all the fall leaves coming. Okay, now that I'm talking, but I'm kind of getting excited for fall. No, not yet. These next 2 pieces did not go together, but this t-shirt right here, I am manifesting a trip to the Amalfi Coast. I do not know when. So beautiful. Italy, gorgeous, stunning. This is going to pair so nicely with so many different things. You could tie it in the front, you can tie it in the back, tuck it in, you can completely leave it airy and breezy. Oh my word, these pants, these balloon / parachute pants, I am loving every second of this. They feel so nice and lightweight on the body. There's little ties at the bottom so that you can adjust them. A fully functional drawstring waist, which is very stretchy. Something about these pants, whenever I see them on the hanger, I'm like, oh, they kind of look, sort of funny. And then I see somebody wearing them, I'm like, you look so chic. Like, you look really put together, very hip, very on trend. Like, you know what's going on, but also timeless all at the same time, if you know what I mean. And I just thought these were too fun to not pair together. These next 2 pieces are not a set, but they pair together so nicely. This square neck tank top, very breezy, very lightweight, goes with so many different things. Elevate this and dress it up, take it on a date night, but keep it also very casual should you want to. You can also tie it in the front if you wanted to showcase your waistline a little bit more, depending upon how you want to wear this and style this. So many options. I was playing around with it after I did the filming here for these, and I thought that was really cute. These pants, this is probably the 5th color that I purchased them in because I love them so much. I have them in a pink, I have them in a blue, green, a brown, a black. I mean, I love them. I also love them because they are long enough for my frame. And also, if you are a little bit shorter and you want to wear a heel or a block-heeled sandal or something that's a little bit more elevated, these are also going to be perfect for that. A couple nip tops. Oh my gosh. A couple knit tops that are timeless in your closet, also transitioning perfectly from summer into the fall, and they look more expensive than they actually are on Amazon. You cannot go wrong with this color combination right here. I love the thicker shoulders on this, so again, wearing your most comfortable bra. I just wore a nude bra underneath and nothing was showing through. This is by the brand Anne Rabess, and I love so many of the pieces from this brand. A lot of color options, a lot of different sizing options. In fact, the best way to shop all these items is to visit my Amazon storefront, amazon.com/shop/AndreaJean1. Click on photos and you can easily and visually shop anything that I've ever posted. In fact, a ton of stuff that doesn't actually make it here to YouTube. It's such a great visual shopping experience to just click what you want, see different accessories that you might want to pair it with, see the pants, love it, and then actually see it on a real life human and not like some AI generated model. Of course, everything looks beautiful on those models, but it's nice to see what these things look like. So that's why I love doing this. But back to this gorgeous top. Pairs with so so many different things. And of course, I'm loving it with just crisp white. Super quick. If you're enjoying this video, will you please give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit that subscribe button. This top right here is not a tank top. I love the cap sleeves on it. Gorgeous color combination paired with that white. But again, for fall, you could do some browns with this. You could do some more beige colors. Of course, white on white always looks very stunning. I'm very happy with this. If you hear a lawnmower in the background, I apologize. My lawnmowers are here right now, but they are so quick. They just get out there and get that job done. Can you hear that? Quick side tangent, we hired a lawn service this summer and it has been a game changer because they come with their big lawnmowers and they get it done in like 15 minutes. Whereas if my husband and I were to mow the lawn, it's going to take us much longer with the front and the back and the hills. And so it's like been worth every penny. And my husband is super busy with real estate. As you can imagine, I'm busy here perusing all of Amazon and trying on these beautiful pieces for you. So I recently hired a cleaning service. Maybe that's about 4 months now. I mean, all the things that I probably should have done sooner. My kids are getting older now. I want to spend every second with them when I can. I mean, when they're not annoying me, if you know what I mean. My 12-year-old, oh my gosh, moving into those hormonal teenage years, sometimes I'm like, okay, we just need a little break from each other for just a little bit. If you've had a teenage girl, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You know I love me a button down. This one is by the Amazon Essentials brand. I love the color combination here, again, paired with the beautiful white. This is excellent for travel because it's almost wrinkle resistant because of the material. When you're in the airport and on the airplane, I know it can be very cold, so this is perfect to layer if you're going to a restaurant. It's cooler in the evening. I pair these button downs with so many different things. Over workout clothes, after I'm working out, maybe it's a little bit colder inside. Maybe I just want to wear some basics that are really comfortable and then put this over top. I mean, yes, yes, yes. Let's talk about these pants. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I showed something previously in the spring, not quite this. I love this color combination, very lightweight, and the really fun pockets and the cut, the stretchy waistband that is fully adjustable. This goes with so many different things. This would also pair nicely with, well, that Amalfi t-shirt that I showed you previously. Whenever I see somebody in these pants, they look great in jelly shoes. They look great in block heel sandals. They look great with sneakers, really anything. You can elevate these if you're looking more for that refined look. But if you're looking for the chic, sort of relaxed, laid back look, well, white sneakers go perfectly as well. This fun little number here, I've seen it floating all around Amazon. I'm like, I have to get that. In fact, I purchased it in another color. I thought this is so cute and this is so genius. So maybe you want that over the shoulder sweater look, very preppy, which is on trend right now. In fact, it's basically a timeless look because I swear every couple of months, like we're seeing more and more pieces. 90s fashion is making a comeback. I grew up in the 90s. I was born in 85. So in 95, I was wearing all things 90s. In fact, I've done a ton of posts here actually on Instagram with complete lists for you with 90s inspired clothing, all from Amazon, which are super cute. And I post those things here on the YouTube community tab as well. So if you've never visited that and you like quick, easy links to things with a great visual, the community tab is great. But Instagram, I do post on Instagram stories every single day, so you can find sneak peeks and deals as well. But back to this over the shoulder sweater. Now it will keep you a little bit warmer because it's over the shoulder covering your back. But I think more than anything, you want that visual look. Sometimes when you're wearing cardigans and sweaters over the shoulder, they can be a little bit clunky and chunky depending upon the sweater and the thickness that you've used. So you get that same refined, fun look, if you know what I mean. And it does provide a little bit of warmth. This eyelet dress has been on the hanger. I wasn't super impressed. I was like, okay, well, let's just see. And then I put it on. I fell in love. I thought I was going to be drowning in this, but no, absolutely not. I think it just fit perfectly. You could even belt this. In fact, I'm probably going to style it a couple different ways, and I'll share that on Instagram stories here in the next couple of weeks. I just rolled the sleeves for some added interest, a little bit more of those preppy vibes. I love the scallop detail on the bottom and the collar on this. Oh, I love this dress, but it's also very beachy, lightweight, and carefree. This is going to transition beautifully into the fall because you can accessorize this with some mocha and some browns and all of those fun fall colors. Let's talk about these next two pieces, these lace shorts. In fact, I did a whole post about how to style lace shorts. Yes, even if you are 40 or above, there's a lot that you can do with these. It took me a while to really decide if this is something that I was into or not, but I keep seeing it, and I have to say I do love it. I think I just wasn't seeing these shorts styled in a way that I felt was appropriate for my age, if you know what I mean. Not to say like there's certain appropriateness when it comes to dress, but more than anything, it's a feeling, right? When you feel good in the clothes, then it really doesn't matter, in my opinion. Your energy and your confidence when you wear clothing is more important than anything. In fact, when I was in high school, you know, you're getting ready for prom or homecoming, my mom would always be like, Andrea, do not fidget with your clothes. It's going to make the outfit look less beautiful than it is. It's going to make you look uncomfortable. It's going to make you look insecure. So I became very aware with like, you know, the fidgeting, the tugging, the pulling that one might do. You can just tell when someone feels confident in what they're wearing. Yes, thumbs up if you can relate to me on that one. Perfect. I'm obsessed with these. Perfect for fall. These are going to look really great with some oversized sweaters, some fun cardigans. I showed you a couple of different ways to style this with just a white tank top, one of my favorites actually, with the built-in bra, and this nice lightweight gray cardigan. I'm surprised I did not have a gray lightweight cardigan in my closet. This is by the Amazon Essentials brand, again in the size small, and I do love this combination with the brown and the gray. Brown and white is great, but gray is just, I don't know, something a little bit different, something a little bit more tasty. You can leave this completely undone. You could open up a little bit. You can wear it over your shoulders. I think that's how I preferred it, but functional, beautiful, stunning. This tennis dress, #1 bestseller. I got it in the black version. I also got it in the red version, which I have posted and talked about. So good. I had to get it here in the white. I love the spaghetti straps, which are fully adjustable. On the back here, there's a little crisscross detail. Built-in bra in here, which you know I love. I'm flat-chested. You can take these little pads out should you want to. It also came with the shorts that are built-in, very comfortable. They're not riding up with you. Like, love, love, love this. This next dress, saw it on the hanger. I was like, okay, she's kind of pretty. And then I put it on. I thought, yes, I felt like a beautiful, like fall princess, if you will. I love the color combinations on this, very bohemian. I also love that this is strapless. She's a bit of a showstopper. This next two-piece set, so fun. There's so much that you can do with this. And can I just say, it feels so nice and soft on the body. And this color combination right here, perfect for a date night. Maybe you have some sort of work event or conference coming up. You could just throw a blazer on over this. I love that this is strapless, so it's perfect for a day to night transition look. If you're transitioning this into the evening, I would change up the accessories, take off the blazer, and put on a really cute, probably fun kitten heel, or maybe a block heel if you want something a little bit more comfortable. It came with this skirt. It kind of looks like it could be pants, but it is a skirt, nice and stretchy. So much that you could do with this. This next dress, I put this on, and my 12-year-old daughter was like, Mom, I love it. I was like, I know, it is so cute. This black and white gingham dress with the lobsters on it. Very East Coast, very fun. We're seeing a ton of this sort of design and pattern and look and feel with the chunky necklaces. It's just fun, which I love. It has a square neck top. Also, it has a little smocking here on the back. I love the length on this, like a picnic, a barbecue, shopping, everyday wear. And last but not least, this two-piece peplum top and pant set. Now, I saw this on an influencer on Instagram. She has over 800,000 followers, and she got like thousands upon thousands of comments requesting this. I thought, I have to try that out. Now, she is 5'5", so I was wondering what this would look like on my 5'7" frame. And I have to say, I absolutely love it. I think it depends upon how high you wear the pant or how low. I sort of have mine on a mid-rise area, and I can still wear a heel with this. If you are really tall, much taller than 5'7", polka dots, they come and go all year round, but now more than ever, we're seeing a hot surge in polka dots, and I love the neckline on this. It ties. It's very comfortable. There's a zipper in the back. What's also great about a peplum top is, well, it looks beautiful. I also did a post on Instagram here in the community tab about how to style a peplum top, but if you're feeling a little bit bloated, maybe you've just, indulging in all the fun summer treats, I mean, this can like hide everything, if you know what I mean. Maybe it's that time of the month, maybe you're a little bit more bloated, maybe you're going through menopause or perimenopause, like covered, looking chic and fabulous all at the same time. No one's gonna know that you got this on Amazon. Let me know your favorite piece down in that comments box below. And we have got to keep the fun going. So click this video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.